Hi guys, I'm here with the entire family in my house. And you can see my brother over here and my baby brother. Oh, do you want to see him?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look, stars, little stars I put. Oh, darn. Now make me do that all over again. Ugh. Okay, so, well, actually this is kind of good because you can see they've changed it since I last played. And this is very interesting for me. Because now I have this new spell I haven't got before. And I want to see what it is. So, I'll still delete all my progress. The updated wizard battle. So look at this. It's very different. You can see the spell book is different instead of the typical wheel. Oh, I like that. So I couldn't see how. Did you see how many it was? I didn't. I couldn't. I've got to try it again.
Hey, well, why didn't I set that one shot?
So my brothers are here, as you can tell.
Let's see.
And that is, so it's been giving me a lot, because it deleted a lot of my progress now. So it first gave me, oh, that's not a bad one.
Yeah, horsey. You like that. Whoa.
Then, like, it's kind of confusing, like, mana? It's, what kind of mana? Not mana you eat. But, this is an interesting, oh, but my brother just made a nice comment. Yes, these do take away a lot of your old spells, and they take away the spell book so you can't get them back. That's a sad thing, particularly for those of us who have been playing longer. Hey! Oh, sorry. It was just my computer was lagging, as you can see. I typed in the wrong answer. It says... Yeah, but I made a mistake here, and you've probably spotted what my mistake was already. But if you haven't, I'll show you to use some. So it was 9 instead of 13. So I just need to add 13 to this, which would mean 689. Should give me a count? Oops. Oops. How's that? Oops. Okay. I'll take your word for it. So I'm going to try this one. Oh, here's my baby brother back here. He's been cheating. I don't think I've ever shown you this video before. He's very proud of himself. That's my other brother.
Mama.
Oh, an absolute deviation. If you see my previous videos, you know how trouble I've been in.
Mama.
Mama. So I'm going to pause this video so you don't get really bored listening to me try to figure this out. Hi guys, I'm back. Yeah, I figured out the problem and I got it right. So, sorry I ended up with... You're so cute. Do you like the video? Of course it does. So, yeah, but they're giving us less battle stars. I mean, how are we going to get anything? There's so much less battle stars. I don't get it. Well, I know I gotta get this. Okay, I've got to move this. It's that they got me into that problem in the first place, so early on in the video. But I'm gonna have to. No, I can hurry. Hurry. Hey, hurry. Oh, don't let me get in any battles. Hey, ghost thing, I just. No! So yeah, it's a very interesting thing. So these are, okay, this one. Jeremiah. Okay, so this is a difficult question again. I am going to try with the video paused. If I think I'll take longer, I'm going to bring you back in. If I think I'll take longer, I won't bring you back in. But if I think I'll take real quick, then I'm gonna bring you back in. So see you. Hey guys, so unfortunately, I guess you just didn't see this, but I just did an area spell, and it looks so cool. It just kind of splashed me, and then it's always been doing this. That one spell. And once you found there others. Hey. So yeah, but I don't have enough. I want an epic again. And then switch. And then there are my objects. So yeah. So I'm going to do both of these right now for you, and you're going to tell me which one you prefer. Oh, and another one. So this one should be fairly easy, seeing as it's all two. So I'm going to try to do this. So first we calculate the mean of data set, which is 16. And then next calculate the absolute value of the data point. Oh, wait. Okay, so this might actually take a slightest bit longer than. But actually it won't. Can you just turn it off, Mom? Just put it down and don't let him get to it. What about don't let him get to it? I also said. Hi guys, my baby brother just got into my poppet, as you can hear. Sorry about that. But oh, that was kind of funny. So it's 2. So the difference is 0. So yeah, that was actually really easy. So I won this wizard battle. Oh, but him. No. No, I'm gonna move this. Oh no, I don't know what's there. I mean, like, what goes there? Ice is now, according to this. So did you like Falling Star Smash? You can go back to when I did Falling Star Smash and look at that. Or Torrent, which I am about to do better. And this may be difficult, so I am going to pause it just in case. Hi, I'm back again. You'll either be able to see my epic win or my epic fail. Let's see. So yeah, we're pressing the button. Fortunately, it's green, but yay, that works. So which one do you prefer? I like Torrent a lot. I'm not quite sure which one works better, but I will play back the video and decide then. There's a cup on my head and the little one's dead. So, yeah, but they're giving you really small amounts. The bigger rewards, I guess, but still. But yeah, so anyway, upgrade my microphone a little bit. Do you like it? You like this? I know you can't see Prodigy, but okay, yeah, I can see it, but you can't. So I'm going to leave my here. So here we go. So now it looks like, so guys, by the way, now it looks like this is going to be very helpful for catching fireflies. When you click anywhere, it gives you stars. Oh, and I think I'm going to replace these, my ring, my relic they call it, with the basic, no. Water burst. They gave me water burst before. Aquasphere, I'd like to try that. Since that actually looks really fun, like that plant. So tell me what you think about it. Oh, hey, Captain Alvin, Captain Ben. So if you are seeing one of my videos, well, oh, never get the Java.
What's the Java? Oh yeah, the Java. I love the Javas now.
It seems to me like I'm only going to be able to get one, so I should probably go to the Java. It looks weaker. Never do that. Never make that mistake.
Never.
Go for the forest sneak if you're in that situation. Forest sneak. What? They've been doing like these things. But fortunately, this time I'm trying to get both of them.
Okay, so that made it.
So unfortunately, this may be difficult. I'm going to take a look at it. If it's too difficult for me to do in front of you all, then sorry about that. You're not going to be able to see. But not. Then, well, consider yourselves lucky. Actually, it's going to be becoming really close to dinner time here, and so that's all I can do today. So sorry about the much shorter time video than typical, but I'm really sorry about that. Technically make it approximately 15 minutes, 7 seconds. I'm making it approximately 15 minutes, but this is more like 11 minutes. So sorry about that, but goodbye.